Good morning. It's a cold day in Mississippi. It's actually 53 degrees, and it's a beautiful day. The beautiful day that the Lord has made. And I am eating, I'm always eating something. I'm eating Hardee's. I just got off of work. I got off of work at 6:30. It's 9:30. And the reason why I'm not asleep yet is because I had a doctor's appointment at 9 o'clock. And I just came up here, got me some food, went to my doctor's appointment. And now I'm sitting back at the doctor's appointment because I have another doctor's appointment at 11:30. I'm waiting on my next doctor's appointment and eating me some Hardee's. I'm probably going to take a nap right quick if I fall asleep. Ain't give me no grapes. Jelly. Oh my gosh. How you gonna give me this dried chicken sandwich and no jelly? Do I have to ask for it? I guess so. It's good though. I am sleepy. But I have to have I had a blood drawn at 9. It's a little salty. And I gotta have an echo done at 11. Ooh, I just wanted to check in. I'll check back with you. It's good. It tastes good without no jelly. Didn't your mama tell you about talking with your mouth full? So it is 11:18 and I gotta be in there at 11:30. This hair is all over my head. And I wasted coffee all over myself. Hair, wig hair. All right, let me go into the doctor's. Okay. The doctor is literally right here. The doctor's is right here. Just come from one parking space over there to this parking space over here. All right. My coffee done got cold. My eyebrows is growing back. I wish this hair grow back so I can take these wigs off. So I done finished up at the doctor's office. I done got my nap. It's 12:30 and I'm eating again. I don't lose no weight. Eating. I got me some Wendy's this time. The $5 bag, the big bag. It's so good too. They cooked it nice and fresh. I am sitting in front of the Salvation Army. I'm gonna run in here right quick on my way up to the beach. It was on my way to the beach, so I'm gonna run in here and see what I can find. Oh, I forgot to tell them no onions. Look at that big old onion. I don't like onions. It give me heartburn. Ugh. It's a double stack. I like this little $5 bag. It's a nice little meal. The burger is not too big. And then they give you 4 nuggets. And some fries. Especially if they cook it fresh and hot for you. But this right here, yeah. Too sweet. It's lemonade, strawberry lemonade. They could have kept this. Oh! They could have kept this. Oh, man. And they didn't put ketchup on it. That's all they put on here is ketchup. Well. Okay. I didn't eat it all. I'm through being greedy. So yeah, it's so cute. And I didn't see anything in there. I didn't see anything but that pretty Christmas tree. Christmas decorations. And these cute little puppies. Even though that place supports a really good cause and they sell stuff out of their thrift store to support the shelter, it's stinking there. It smell like doggy dogs. See, that's the name of it. And this is the thrift store right here. So yeah, but anyway, like I said, those were some cute puppies, but I'm out of there. The water is so low. The water level is so low. You can see the sand.